Sanibonani bafundi, namhlanje sikhuluma ngey'ngcezu zenkulumo. We are talking about isiphawulo nesibaluli, which are adjectives. Isiphawulo is a true adjective, so isichaza kabanzi ngebizo emshweni. It describes the noun. Isibonelo, isikhwama esikhulu, a big bag. And then we have isbaluli, which is also an adjective, but then we say it's a relative stem. It also describes the noun, usually colors and manner. So naso sichaza kabanzi ngebizo emshweni, kuvame ukuba imibala kanye nesimo. Isibonelo, isimo esinzima, a hard situation. Then here are the few examples of isiphawulo. Khulu is large or big, i-apula elikhulu, a big apple. Ncane is small, i-apula elincane, a small apple. De is tall or long, irula elide, a long ruler. Fishane is short, ipensela elifishane, a short pencil. Dala is old, umama umdala, an old woman. Sha is new, isikhwama esisha, a new bag. Hle is pretty or beautiful, ingubo enhle, a beautiful dress. B is ugly or bad, um, ibhola elibi, an ugly ball. Bili is two, ama-apula amabili, two apples. Any other number falls under isiphawulo. Ningi is many or a lot, abafana abaningi, many boys. Bese sibheka-ke isibaluli, we are looking at relative noun examples. Bomvu would be red, mhlophe, white, manzi is wet, buhlungu, painful, mtoti, sweet, nzima, hard, lula, easy, banzi, wide. Then kusikhuluma ngemvumelano yesiphawulo, we are talking about an adjective prefix, okay? So as you could see in the previous slides, it shows that there is something missing after the or before the root of the adjective. So when you are writing a sentence, you will look at the noun that you are describing, and then you will use the prefix that is needed there. So if the noun starts with umu or the prefix would be o. Umuntu omuhle, a beautiful person. Aba, the prefix would be aba. Abafana abancane, small boys. U and o, okay. Ubaba omdala, an old man. Imi and imithi ebabayo, bitter medicine. Ili and eli, ilitshe elikhulu, a big rock. Okay, siyaqhubeka. Ama goes with a, isi goes with esi, easy, ezi. In or im goes with e. U or ulu goes with olu. Ubu goes with obu. Ugu goes with ogu, and o with aba. Let's look at the examples. Asibhekeni izibonelo. Othisha. What would I use? Would I use othisha omuhle, or othisha abahle, or othisha obuhle? The answer is othisha abahle, because o goes with aba. Isigqoko esimnyama, elimnyama or eyimnyama. Isigqoko esimnyama is the correct one because isi goes with esi. Isihlahla elide, eside or omude. Again, we did say isi goes with esi, so then this would mean the correct way to say the sentence would be isihlahla eside. Okay, I hope you understood everything we spoke about. Salani kahle, bafundi.